Hi, I am Singotam Narsimlu. Welcome to my channel SNS 1974.
Please like and share. Subscribe my channel SNS 1974. Reflection of light at curved surfaces. Now in this introduction class we discuss about keywords, meanings and its explanations. Luminous objects. Objects that can emit light energy by themselves are known as luminous objects. Now we can see some luminous objects: sun, torchlight and LED bulb. Non-luminous objects. Objects that cannot emit light energy by themselves are known as non-luminous objects. See some non-luminous objects in our daily life. Children, light travels in a straight line. Once again children, light travels in a straight line. Incident ray. A ray of light which hits a surface. Children, see the animation picture of incident ray. Reflected ray. The ray represents the light reflected by the surface. Normal. A line drawn perpendicular to the plane of reflection from the point of incidence is the normal. Children, now see the animated picture of normal. Angle of incidence, angle I. The angle made by the incident ray with a normal. Children, now see the animated picture of angle of incidence. Angle of reflection, angle R. The angle made by the reflected ray with a normal. Children, now see the animated picture of angle of reflection. Reflection. Light changes its direction when it is abstracted by any object. This phenomena is called as reflection. Children, see the animated picture of reflection. Children, now discuss about laws of reflection. Number 1. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. That is, angle I is equal to angle R. Second one, the incident ray, the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence, and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Spherical mirrors. The mirrors which contain curved reflecting surfaces are called spherical mirrors. Types of spherical mirrors. There are two types of spherical mirrors. Number 1, concave mirror. Another one, convex mirror. Concave mirror. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards is called a concave mirror. Concave mirror always can form a real or virtual image. Some examples of concave mirror in our daily life. Convex mirror. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outwards is called a convex mirror. A convex mirror always can form a virtual image from a real object. See some examples of convex mirror in our daily life. Real image. When the rays after reflection, if they actually converge to form an image, it is called real image. Real image can be received on screen. Virtual image. When the rays after reflection appear to diverge from the mirror is called virtual image. Virtual image cannot be received on a screen. Like and share, subscribe my channel SNS 1974.